In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your first $1,000 trading the binary options market as a complete beginner. And I will place my trade. So I will explain everything about this trading setup, and importantly, so you can apply the same when you decide to trade. So if you are yet to make your first $1,000 trading the binary options market, you want to follow through till the end of this video. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how you can trade like me and make your first $1,000 trading the binary options market in no time. So I want you to pay attention to this, though I'm not explaining yet. I want this trade to run out till the end, then I can explain why I took this trade. Now I took this trade with the help of this very support level. As you can see here, I will make this white and I will also make it bold so you can see. I took this trade because of this level. Now you need to learn to be able to spot entries. The entries are the most important things you need to try to spot. Now if you have very good entries, it will increase your chances of winning your trade. Now binary options market is not like the forex market, but though it is the same, but we are trading over the 1 minute time frame, and that means the candlesticks will be moving much faster, and you want to be on the right side of the market for at least a very short period of time. So your entries are very, very important. Now if you can have very good entries, your chances of winning your trades will increase much higher. So you need to try to work on that. Now, what will make you have good entries? What will make you have good entries is your ability to draw good levels, and levels that are very, very effective. If you can draw those effective levels and you have your conditions set that this is what should happen, then I'm going to take my trade, it will increase your chances of winning your trade. Now, if you look, we see that this is a very strong downtrend in the period of the last 3 hours, as you can see, and we were having the price falling, creating lower lows and lower lows, which is very obvious on the chart, you can see. And this means that we can wait for some kind of rest to be able to enter into a trade. Now if the price is trending downward, of course we want to be trading in the favor of the buyer, of the sellers, right? But what are the conditions we should wait for before we enter into a trade? So we'll wait for this trade to finish at the next at least in less than 1 minute and 30 seconds. And I'm going to explain again in detail the reason why I placed this very trade, just so you can learn and also apply the same when you decide to trade. So sit back, relax, and let's wait. So guys, we've won this trade easily. Now let me explain why I took this very trade. Please pay good attention to my explanation so you can learn what is important here and also apply when you want to trade. So we are trading the New Zealand dollar US dollar pair, and you can see clearly that this is a very strong downtrend. Now if we are having a downtrend, we want to wait for some pullbacks to be able to spot trading opportunities, right? Now we had a low, as you can see on this level, we had a low here, and then we started to have some pullbacks, meaning the price rose over here and created a new high. You see, on this level, and then we are supposed to be having a retracement phase that could look something like this. Let me try to use the chart in the past to show you. If we're having a decent okay, decent retracement should look like this. You know, this is a low, this is a high, this is a higher low, higher high, higher low, and we're supposed to be having another higher high here until we can have this structure now broken in the future. If we have this structure broken in the future, we can consider this to be a bright trading opportunity, because you see now that this structure has already now been broken and that we should be having something else happening in the price. This is how I trade most of the time. But if you look at this opportunity, this trading setup, you will see that it wasn't happening like that. Something else was happening. We had this low, this is a high, this is a higher low. We couldn't have a higher high. The price came down, broke this higher low swing, created a new low on this level, and then it couldn't even move to break this previous high. It was moving straight like this. Now, if you pay a good attention, we see that the price were actually ranging, and I can confirm that by this level. So if you draw another level and include it on this level, you will see that this is a range, because the price we are bouncing around this level multiple times in the past. Now it came here, came down, came here again, bounced down. It bounced around here for almost 4 times, and then it kept moving around here. So we can consider this to be a consolidation phase, because the price we are bouncing in a straight line for quite some time. Now, I think my previous video, I also traded a consolidation like this. You can check that video out as well to be able to understand how to trade consolidation. Now, if you are trading consolidations, you want to wait for the breakout from the trapped zones of the price. Now, what are the areas that the price has been trapped in? Now, we need to pay attention to the support level, we need to pay attention to the resistance level, and we need to draw a horizontal level that connects all the areas that the price we are bouncing. This shows that those are the important areas that we need to pay attention to. Now, if you have put your lines, your horizontal levels correctly, outlining the whole zones, meaning you need to connect at least the wicks and also the bodies. So we can say that these were we can connect this level, and this one we connect the wicks. So you can see that this is the zone, okay? And on the support level, we can say this is the wicks, and then we can say this is the bodies, right? So it looks good, right? Now you need to now wait until you have a proper breakout. Now the breakout may come in the form of come from the resistance level, meaning we can have a breakout on the upper level and we can join the buyers, or we can have a breakout on the resistance level we can have a breakout on the resistance level, we can join the buyers, or we can have a breakout on the support levels and we can rightly join the sellers as well. But since we are having a downtrend, we are more favorably going to join the sellers, because if you are having a downtrend and you have a breakout on the support level, we tend to have bigger or greater chances of winning a trade. So this is what happens. We had a breakout that came on the support level. You see this strong candle breaking this upper zone that we have already drawn out, and I placed my trade immediately. The candle finished and we ended up winning this trade. Now you can also wait to have a retest, but like I said also in my previous videos, we are not going to have those retests come all the time. Most times those retests will not come. Oftentimes when you have a consolidation like this and you have a breakout, the breakouts are usually very, very strong, and then you are going to have the price fall down strongly, and most times you are going to wait to have that retest and it may not come. And if it doesn't come, it means that you have already missed out on a very nice trading opportunity. You can see that over here, this also looks more like a consolidation, but you see that when the breakout came, you can see when the breakout came here, it fell down very strongly, and you can't even find the retracement. It didn't come. It falls down very, very strongly. So this is what happens most of the time. That is why I tend to place my trade immediately I have my breakout. If you are going to wait for a test, you are going to miss out on a lot of trading opportunities. This is everything about trading setup. I hope you've learned something that you can also apply the same when you want to trade. So if you have any questions, do it to drop them on the comment section. I'll do my best to answer all your questions. If you find any value in this video, do it to also give this video a thumbs up, just so this video can reach out to more people like you who may be interested in content like this. If you're here for the first time and you are yet to subscribe, do where to hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you any money at all to do that. And also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our important live trading session. So you do want to consider watching other videos. You can check up above and you see the next video. Do it to watch it and also learn from my previous videos. That way you can better your trading step by step. So on this note, I'm going to end this video here and I'll see you again next time. Until then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.